watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. This week we're going to be learning about crabwood, also known as oysterwood, a small to medium-sized evergreen tree found in coastal hammock habitats throughout the Florida Keys and southern Florida. Typically reaching 10 to 25 feet, occasionally to 30 feet, it forms a narrow to rounded crown and slow to moderate growth. The bark is gray to reddish brown and peels to show light inner bark, while young leaves often emerge reddish and later mature into glossy, leathery, dark green foliage. Leaves are smooth or gently toothed and approximately 3 to 4 inches long. The tree produces small, fragrant flowers. Male flowers are yellow-green and female flowers are reddish. They occur on separate individuals, and fruit are inconspicuous, half-inch capsules that split when dry to release the seeds, 3 seeds at a time specifically. Crabwood thrives on most soils and particularly limestone-rich or humus-rich soil substrates, typical of coastal hammocks. It tolerates partial shade, occasional inundation by fresh water, and salty wind, but not direct saltwater flooding. It supports local biodiversity and serves as a host for native insects such as the Florida purple-winged butterfly larvae. In landscapes like ours, crabwood is used as a specimen tree, hedge, or background plant, and demonstrates adaptation to local soils, wind resistance, and hurricane-prone conditions while contributing to restoration of native plant communities. New growth often appears in striking burgundy tones. Worm lichens sometimes grow directly on its leaves. And the wood was historically used for tool handles, fence posts, and minor ethnobotanical purposes. We thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Species Spotlight, and we'll see you next week. Thank you. Take care.